Hi there guys, it's Johnny and Ben from J&UN Property. It's our pleasure we bring to the market this beautifully maintained, privately built, Mediterranean style family home set on a large 600 square metre block of land.
Welcome to 7 Biloolo Road in Green Valley, an amazing opportunity for a large family or an investor. Let this be your next move.
Enjoying a convenient family location, showcasing large bedrooms, multiple indoor and outdoor living areas, this home has so much to offer. Ready for you to call home or add to your portfolio. We look forward to seeing you at the inspection.